Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I will teach you about how you can create a beautiful Facebook post on different niches and sell this service on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. You can also sell this service offline, and you can also go to google.com and search the websites according to your niche and contact them and ask them about your services, and they will surely hire you. This is very easy and uh, easy skill to learn, so after that you can earn. So let's go to canva.com. In today's video I will teach you about how you can create a Facebook post on finance niche on Canva. If you don't know about canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software available online, and it is very easy and handy to use. So if you want to learn complete about Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech and go to the playlist section. Here I upload a complete playlist series uh, which is called Canva designing course. You, after watching this, you would know everything about Canva. So I am going to click on create a design. Here I search Facebook post. It is loading. Basically it's depend upon the internet speed. So I click on Facebook post square. It is loading. So here I search finance. So there are multiple templates, but I want to choose one which I like. So I think this one is good. Yeah, it's look good. But first of all, I would like to change the photo. So I go to photos and here I search business, sorry, finance. It gives me images related to finance. So I click on this image. After that, I want to change this. So let's see. Yeah, it's look good here. After that, I would like to change this into black color, and good. After that, we have to add some elements like finance graphics, and this is good. We have to change the color, short it, and place it here. So that's it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.